So go to the Canva app and select any video templates of select any one. So click on the plus sign to add another video. So go to your element and select a video, and that's it. So add extra graphics depending on what you want. Then go to your camera roll and select any picture. Okay, type frame so as to give it a better look, so it will fit in. So we're going to add all those YouTube icons. So just type YouTube logo icon, anyone. Select the one you want. So subscribe. So release the bell icon. Look for the share icon. Okay, this one is cool. Just change the color to red. And the comment icon. Okay, that one. Just change the color to red. Okay. Have something beautiful already. Then add title. That's my name. Okay, perfect. I've already made something like this in my other video. So if you are conversant with Canva, you don't have any issue. Transition. Just change the transition. Dissolve it. To be faster. Let's check it again. Perfect. So we're also going to add frame here. Want it to look nice. I want the picture to fit in. Perfect. Okay. how the animation is just on point. You can change it, you can do anyone you want. This is just me teaching you, okay? It's just my own, so you can just play around it. So we're going to add music. Just check anyone you like and adjust it. Let's try it. Wow. Okay, so I'll just put all those sounds, the mouse click, the bell sound for notification and all that, subscription and all that. So that's just it. Let's check. Great. They animate it. So it will look lively. Animate as well. I think this is cool. Then you go to download and download it. Still on that Canva app, you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So just select the thumbnail here. Open. Then choose any templates on your choice. So I'll go for this grow your business template, the pink one. Just select it. Then we'll go and type camera, because I want to change that template. So select this camera. Okay, then put frame and delete all this stuff just to make it your own. So remove all these stuff. Great. But I think this is not nice, so we're going to change the frame again. Okay, this is better. Then insert it. And that's it. Okay, we'll adjust it. Then just write whatever you want to write. This is how to create a YouTube video for beginners. Okay, just adjust it so it will make sense, and just change the font. And so I said to write it in the capital letters to be visible. Let's move it. Going to align it, so just go to format. Yeah, great. Okay, I think this is nice. Okay, so click the plus sign, go to text, select the small one, then change the color. I wrote my name there, Andrew was good. Then we'll go back again and type YouTube, then get the icon and put there. If you want to, if you want to put it, you can. Then get the subscribe icon there, then put again, then you save it. Nothing much, just save as draft, download the draft. I think that's all. Prepare your design and it's saved. So move to InShot, go to video, create a new video, then select the videos like the ones we've done. So this is your intro. Click on the plus to another video, which is this. So just split it and cut out the places you don't want, the parts you don't want. Just use that split. You can use your pre-cut, depending on what you're doing. You click on the delete icon to delete, and you can switch any of them depending on how you want it to appear.
Hello people.
Okay, I think this is better.
Hello people.
Okay, now this
What's
is
good? Andra is good. Hello, my name is Andra and this is my YouTube channel.
nice. Okay, you can increase the volume. Or reduce it. So this is okay. Click on the crop button. Select YouTube. Then click on the speed. Anyhow you want
this is my
it.
YouTube channel.
This is okay. Then this is the voice effect.
Hello people. What's good?
Just selecting.
Hello people. What's good? What's good?
I don't need anyone, so I'm okay with this. So select flip, so you can flip the video or picture to any side you want. This is cool. Select PIP. So choose any video you want to be playing in your own video. Like it's called picture in picture. So this video is going to be playing while mine will be playing there too.
Hello people. What's
I think
good?
this is cool.
Andra is good. Hello, my name is Andra and this is my YouTube channel.
Effects.
Channel.
Can choose this one if you want.
Hello people. What's good?
Play around all these
Andra is good.
icons. Just check out the
Hello,
ones
my name is
that you
Andra
like.
and this is my YouTube
The one
channel.
that suits your video. I think I'm going to remove this row. I don't think I actually need it. Okay, you can check for the filter if you want to change the color. You can also adjust it. Then this is the test. And you put it where you want it to show in your video. Okay, you can just adjust it so it will fit where you want it to appear. You can just try it. I mean, this video I don't think I'll be needing them, so I might just delete them.
Hello people. What's good?
See? So this for effects if you want to add anything. Okay, let's check this one.
Wow.
Okay, wow. Let's check wow.
Hello people. What's
See? So transition. If you just click that small dots between those two videos, you'll see the transition icon there. Just click on it and play around this stuff. Just select the one you want, how you want the videos to transition.
and this is my YouTube channel. And this is my YouTube channel. And this is my YouTube.
Okay, you can just adjust it, just reduce it so it can be faster. Like the switch from one video to the other. If you want it to be faster, you can just adjust it there. I might still remove this one because I don't think I'll be needing it here. But it depends on you what you want. So we're going to select a song like this music. Okay, this is nice. So just adjust it. So it's going to start from the beginning. Let's cut that one out. I want it to enter our intro. Sound.
Hello people. What's
You can adjust the
good?
volume.
Andra is good. Hello, my name is Andrea, and this is my YouTube channel.
Wow. So we're going to add another video to show what we are talking about. Now this is your main video. So you can just adjust the sound to the end, like take it to the end, or you can change the music. So go back to the music icon again. This time around we're going to record our voice. This is the voiceover, like the one you're hearing now. Great. Let's check it. Choose a leaf of your choice. Then you rotate it, and it's as simple as that. Reduce the volume. You should just split it so you can adjust the volume, because I think the music is kind of louder than the voiceover. So just adjust the volume. Choose a leaf of your choice and increase the voiceover volume. Choose a leaf of your choice. Then you rotate it, and it's as simple as that. Nice. That. So sticker, you can add your sticker if you want to, but I'm not going to add any sticker. So this one, if you want to cover anything you don't want people to see, you can do it.
Hello people, what's good? Andrea is good. Hello, my name is Andrea, and this is my YouTube channel.
Choose a leaf of your choice, then you rotate it, and it's as simple as that. Wow, see? So it's nice. So just delete this PIP. Wait. So click on the canvas. So you can zoom, change the ratio, change the background, depending on how you want it. Here's the background. You can just choose anything, choose any color of your choice. I think I'll leave my own as white. Then you save it. You choose MP4. This one you can choose anyone, but I'll go with 4K for the resolution. Frame rates, I'll take 60 FPS. I would just want it to be brighter, and this is okay. Then go ahead and download it.